Hey there, my fabulous makeup mavens. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got something truly special in store for you. Get ready to be mesmerized as I dive into the world of stunning, glamorous turquoise eye makeup. Whether you are a makeup pro or just starting out, this tutorial is for everyone who wants to slay with blue. So grab your palettes, turn up the volume and let's unleash the magic. Going to start with this brown eyeshadow and gradually building the intensity in soft circular motion around my crease area. Then taking this shade from this palette, I'm going to gradually increase the intensity of the color in the crease and outer V area before I apply the dark brown shade on the inner and outer corner of the eyelid. And hey, if you're as obsessed with teal and glitter as I am, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already and join the makeup family. Notice the type of brush you're using for this. It should be medium in size and not too fluffy to help you contain the color in the desired area. With the help of this pencil-like brush, I'm going to apply the same shade and create a fine curve on the eyelid. Leaving the middle part of the eyelid where I'm going to apply turquoise eyeshadow. After creating an outer V, I'm going to take the lighter shade on the same medium brush and blend the edges to get a more diffused look. And remember, as I've said multiple times, that blending is a key for any eye look. So don't leave any harsh lines. To make the color appear more vibrant, I'm going to cut crease the eyelid using a concealer and applying it with the help of flat brush. After this, I'm going to apply this frosted cream eyeshadow called Sea Mist from Sweet Touch London on the middle part of my eyelid. Now with the help of a clean fluffy brush, I'm going to diffuse the colors into each other. And if you feel this has lightened up the corners, you can increase the intensity by applying a little more eyeshadow on the inner and outer corner of your eyelid. And diffuse them again with the same clean fluffy brush. Here I felt like my outer corner was way too out, so I rectified it with the help of concealer and applying a transition shade, and nobody will ever know. Now time to add some glitter, and I'm using this glitter from Kryolan called Polymer Glimmer in the shade Pastel Blue and applying it very little on my eyelid. Enhancing lower lash line and time to apply some eyeliner. For eyeliner, I'm using this cake eyeliner from Christine, and with the help of a very fine brush, I'm going to create a very fine wing. Now creating the inner corner very carefully. Creating a flick on the lower lash line also. Finishing up the look by applying the same blue eyeshadow on my waterline and applying some falsies. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for joining me on this still-tastic journey today. I hope you enjoyed creating this stunning turquoise eye look as much as I did. If you found this tutorial helpful or inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting makeup adventures. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if there is a specific look you would like me to tackle next time, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Remember, beauty is all about self-expression, and with a little creativity and practice, you can achieve any look you desire. So keep experimenting, stay fabulous, and until next time, take care and stay glamorous.